Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can utilize the pen tool to draw manually or to write something manually in your Lucidchart diagrams and whiteboard presentations. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your presentation on a Lucidchart, be it a whiteboard or a diagram. And what you want to do next, guys, here on a whiteboard presentation is navigate to the drawing tool in the bottom left. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see that selection here, a pen, eraser, highlighter, and so on and so forth with the associated shortcut here. So click into it, and you may, for example, select a different drawing tool here at the bottom, like the highlighter as previously mentioned, or the eraser tool. Or if you click into the drop-down menu, select the pen. Now, here you may select your color. Like, for example, let me go with salmon. I thought that's a fish, but okay, it's also color. And here, select the pen thickness or width, like this one, and simply start drawing. Let me start with a emoji or a smiley like this. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.